Okay, now let's see the upper die, and for that I'll hide all these. Here is the upper die, and this is the slide. Let me hide it. Okay, and as you can see, let me just quickly take you through the upper die. So as you see, we have these four guide pins, and the guide pins had ball bearings. So these are bearings for the easy movement, easy and fast. And then we have, like here we have stipper plate. It's a upper stipper plate, right? We have at four places we have hardened plate to work against the stop block. We have safety area written over here, so if we have to do any work in the die when it is in the place, we keep aluminum safety blocks, or whatever safety blocks are given or provided in the place, that we keep here, so it won't crush you down when you have your hand or anything inside the die, right? And these are your main heel blocks. So you see we have ear plates bolted to the heel block, right? Now we start from here. Of course this is top plate, and then you have upper parallels, clamping parallels, normal parallels, right? One thing which you didn't notice, to handle it we have handling hose in the upper and lower. We don't have any handling hook or pin. Okay, now this is my upper stipper plate. These are the guard. Okay, so as you see the upper plate, these are getting guided using these four guide pin. Four guide pins are assembled to the stipper plate, and guide bushes are assembled to the top plate. These are for guiding, and for retaining we have, as you can see, we have retaining blocks. So we have 6 retaining blocks here, two-piece construction. So this is the one which are bolted to the upper plate, and this one is bolted to this block, and this is hardened. Now let me hide this. Okay, now one more thing which you can see here, uh, around punches, right? So around punches we had lifter, stipper window plates. So we have a stipper window plate here, 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 all around punches, right? So these